Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log symptoms on Flo App. Okay, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flo application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get the Flo application? Alright, you can get it on either Google Play Store or Apple Store. So just launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Flo App and follow through the on-screen instructions to download the app. After downloading the application, it's going to take you right into the sign-in window. We're going to be asked to either log in or to create an entirely new account. That whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, is going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Flo app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to log symptoms on Flo app. Okay, so from here in this homepage, head over to the category that says My Daily Insight. So go ahead and check right under My Daily Insights today. You'll see Log Your Symptoms. So go ahead and click on the plus icon in there. So once you click on the plus icon, it takes you right here. What are you feeling today? Go ahead and log any of the symptoms in, let's say cramps, tender breast, fatigue, bloating. Tap any of them and click on apply, and then you have, let's say, tender breast. So click on apply and that's it. So they're going to analyze your data. Now I can click on the plus icon again and log another symptoms, let's say cramp. So click on that and click on apply. Now another way to go about it, click on the plus icon and head over to the category that says symptoms. So here's symptoms. You have all the symptoms. Everything is fine. Let's say everything is fine. Or you have headache, you have acne, you have backache. Log any of them. Just click on apply. So I'm going to click on everything is fine and say everything is a-okay for me. So that's pretty much how you can log symptoms on the Flo app. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.